It's time to peace.
Well, the UN chief, António Guterres, has sent a strong message to the countries involved in the conflict in DRC. He has called upon signatures to go towards peace building, peace negotiation. He says, end the gun violence. The parties which have been involved include M23 rebel and also RANDF, that is South African soldiers, and also other peacekeepers like the UN troops. Rwanda has severely denied being linked to the M23 rebels, who are the lead cause of the conflict now in DRC. Several media outlets have pinned Rwanda as being linked to M23 rebel, but the president, Paul Kagame, has continuously denied. Here is what the chief said.
My message is clear. Silence the guns. Stop the escalation. Respect the sovereignty and territorial integrity of the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Uphold international human rights law and international humanitarian law. There is no military solution. It's time for all the signatories of the Peace, Security and Cooperation Framework for the DRC and the region to honor their commitments. It's time for mediation. It's time to end this crisis. It's time to peace.